Beautiful and lovely friends, hope you're fine. Welcome back to the channel. This season, when your home sparkle, our heart feel lighter, and every little corner whisper the joy of celebration. In today's video, we will explore beautiful and budget-friendly Christmas crafting decoration ideas for cozy indoor pieces to stunning outdoor display, including handmade, slag, decoration, Pinecones project, Jute craft, and more. So, before we starting, let's take a moment to remind what Christmas truly means. It's not just about light and gift, it's about love, kindness, and creativity shared with family and friends. Long ago, people decorated their homes with evergreen and candles to bring warmth into the cold winter. Over the century, these small acts of joy turned into the grand Christmas tradition we have today: cheese, bells, wreath, and sleigh. So we will craft. We are not just decorating. We are continue to beautiful story that's been passed down for generation. Let's begin with Christmas table centerpiece, simple yet elegant. Take a clear glass bowl or mason jar, fill it with pine cones, fairy lights, cinnamon sticks, and shiny ornaments. Top it off with a red bow or touch of gold glitter for that magical festive glow. Place it on your dinner table or side table and watch how it brings warmth to every meal. Now let's decoration our walls with some DIY wall hanging. Use wooden sticks or old photo frames to create rustic shape, star snowflakes, or even teeny Christmas tree. Glue out small ornaments, ribbons, and bells. Wrap fairy lights around them for the soft evening sparkle. You can hang them near your doorway or on your living room. They add cozy handmade touch that say welcome home for Christmas for your friends and family. It's time for the magic of Pinecones. Collect a few from your garden or nearby park. Paint them white for snowy touch or use gold and silver for elegance. Tie ribbon to make ornaments for your tree or glue them on wreath and garland. They are natural, budget friendly, and never go out for style. Next, let's move to the eco-friendly jute and burlap decoration. Take a strip of burlap fabric and turn into a mini Christmas stocking and rustic table dinner. And lace button and bit of red ribbons to bring contrast. You can also wrap jute twins around glass jar or bottles to create candles holder. If you don't have space for large Christmas tree, no worries. Make your own mini Christmas tree with cardboard, cones, strings, or roll paper. Wrap it with clean, painted red or white decoration with golden ribbon and jungle bells. Add mini present, pine leaves, and even a little Santa figure sitting on top. Place your DIY sleigh near your Christmas tree, entryway, or window for a festive focal. If you want to go bigger, try outdoor sleigh setup using an old wooden crate or cart. Add artificial snow, fairy lights, and a stuffed Santa or reindeers beside it. It's make your home look straight out of the Christmas postcard. Let's take the celebration outside. You can make outdoor decoration that spared joy to everyone who passed by. Door wreath, create one using twig, juice, jute rope, and pinecone. Add red bow and fairy lights. Place lantern on messenger with candles along your pathway. Wrap fairy lights around small bushes are now that our door was and hut decorated. Let's bring everything together with some home decor magic. Place table centerpiece made of pinecone candle and small ornaments. Use warm lights, red cushions, and soft blankets to make your living room cozy. Hang Christmas stocking near the wall or staircase and place small gift basket for family and friends. A little mistake above the doorway adds a sweet touch of tradition. Add a new handmade ornaments on your shelves like painted jars, snowflake globes, or small trees wrapped in jute, and your entire home will glow with Christmas spirit. And there you have it, creative, easy, and budget friendly Christmas decoration that you can make at home with love and joy. Which idea did you like the most? Door walls or rope decorations? Tell me in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more festive DIY ideas.